So, are we ready?
What are you doing, Darcy?
We spoke yesterday in the meeting that we're going to dress up like Indiana Jones, no?
Yeah, but we're just supposed to wear a hat.
But we've just filmed the crazy cinematic shots.
You must be crazy. Go and get changed and let's get started with the tour.
Welcome back, property lovers, to the channel where we tour one of the most beautiful homes here in the Costa Blanca. Today I'm in this crazy mansion and I brought you guys a special guest. I welcome you, Viktoria. She also does house tours in the area and we've just been through the house, so she knows a few details, so I'm going to leave it to her to give a few from the property.
Hi everybody, my name is Viktoria and today I'm here with Darcy to help him tour this huge mansion. Well, and why huge? This mansion is located on a plot of 34,000 square meters with an internal build of 677 square meters. Now, Darcy, can you tell us a little bit about the area?
Yeah, for sure. So we are actually right now located in La Nucía. We're on the top bit of the mountain. So the property is pointing south area. So most important is sun all day. And we're also just around 10 to 15 minutes away from the beach. And then you've got all of this nature here at the back. As you can see, there are no properties and no neighbors around here. So you can throw crazy parties and you know you're going to have complete privacy. Have you seen the pool over there?
Yeah, actually, there's 3 pools in this house. Am I right?
All right, yeah.
There's one which is on the completely other side of this mansion, where to get there you have to cross this huge bridge. Darcy, have you tried crossing the bridge?
It's quite crazy. I don't know if you're afraid of it.
Yes, I actually had to change my shoes not to walk in my heels, because that's not a place where you want to be walking with your heels, that's for sure.
Perfect. Guys, let's start the tour. We're walking into one of the entrance of the property because there is a total of 3. Here on the bottom with this crazy fountain, you got another one in the middle that goes straight to the garage, and then one on the top to the guest house. But I don't know if you've seen, Vicky, how crazy these walls are.
Yeah, in fact, it makes you feel really safe being surrounded by these walls, especially that this property is more than 30,000 square meters. And yes, as you mentioned, this fountain just gives this feeling to the house, the magic feeling which we are about to see further on during the tour.
Totally, and this is beautiful, especially that when you have guests, that they come through here and they have this beautiful entrance and then we go straight to the pool.
So now we come to the main part of the terrace from the house. Firstly, we find ourselves in this little restaurant-like zone. What do you think about this barrels, Darcy?
It is totally. It actually looks really nice. Especially you got this pergola. It's electric. It opens completely up. It's got the nice lights inside. So this in the evening must be so fun to be his friend.
It's like a restaurant and connected with this.
Correct. And then if we go over here, we come over, for me, one of the most beautiful places in the home. The owners actually told me that they spend 90% of their time. They have a beautiful house, but we're in Spain, so the heat is quite crazy. But when we come over here, you just have this nice outside kitchen. What do you think, Vicky?
Well, yes, I actually think this table, this dining area speaks for itself. I mean, if I was to have these views every day, I would definitely not be eating breakfast or dinners inside. I would spend all my time here.
Look at this beautiful black countertop. It gives this modern feeling, especially on an outside terrace.
Yeah, I think especially in a terrace like this, where we've got this wooden roofing with the panel right above us, and then in the middle, this modern kitchen with all the Bosch appliances. What do you think?
And I can just imagine, you're here cooking, you're looking straight out to the pool with the palm tree, and then you've got the Porch Campana at the back. Like I've said in other videos, this mountain is one of the highest in Spain, closest to the sea. So this is a gem to have it right here.
Yes, I think really being here, you can watch out for all your family playing around in the pool. You have views here to the upper part of the garden, which we're going to go very shortly.
Totally. Let's go and check it out. we come into the swimming pool area. We've got this nice place to relax. We've got this really high quality furniture on this side. And then further ahead, we've just got this beautiful swimming pool. Crystal clear blue, has an island in the middle with the palm trees. And then it has that beachy feeling.
Yeah, why is that? Well, if you can see, guys, over there we have the slope going down. So it starts pretty shallow and then ends up pretty deep at the end, so you can have a proper swim here. Where after you can chill in these two chairs we've got over there with the beautiful views and a hammock. I mean, Darcy, check out this hammock.
Yeah. I'm gonna go and do a siesta for sure in that.
Well, I would like to do the same.
But on this side, if we can see, there's another table with the beautiful stone as a floor. Gives it that Spanish feeling.
It does.
You know?
And also the Balinese little house on my left over here. You see, this is definitely somewhere where you can have your siesta, and I'm gonna have mine in the hammock.
Totally. Well, I'm keeping the Bali place because it is so cool.
I'll give that to you. See, I told you this was the best place to chill in this garden.
Vicky, come on, stop relaxing. Viewers, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel because every single week we're uploading new content.
And make sure to stay until the end of this video because we have something very special prepared for you at the end of the tour.
Vicky, all right, chop, we need to carry on the video.
All right, let's go. So here, stepping up from the lower garden, we are in the upper part, and here we've got a really cool thing I would like to show you guys. Check out this super retro style sun clock. And in fact, it works. When we came here, it was showing 2 o'clock, and now it is the right time, 6:30. I'm super impressed with this. What do you think about it?
I'm impressed, but I'm more impressed with this because it just gives a beautiful feeling to come in and perfect to relax. Even as electrical, it's full of lights.
It's true. I really like this natural roof, and it just gives you this Bali feeling.
Totally. So now it's time to go and check out the house, but just look at the way from the pool up here. We go over this bridge, we've got another fountain on the right side, and then underneath us, all the way round to the entrance of the property, it's full of koi fish. I don't know if you know what they are.
I do, and I really like their home, this large pond, and even not only they have a beautiful home, but they have their own little bridge where the fish goes up and swims towards the other part of the house. I think it's super cute.
It is crazy, it's crazy. I didn't even know that. We come to another area to relax. There's actually at the entrance to go into the living room, but we'll see that later. You got this nice sofa in U, perfect to relax.
Yeah, and guys, check out these views. It totally looks like a jungle. Right behind me, you can see this bird cage with different kinds of species, and the second house, which is specially made for parrots. But let's go and check out in a bit, and before, let's go and get started from the exterior of the house.
So we're following the pond, and it is absolutely insane. So it starts from one side of the house, and it goes all the way down. It's actually the entrance of the property.
Yeah, I really like how this pond wraps around the property all the way to the end where we've got the crocodile, as you just mentioned. And I really love how the water feature we've got made here by the owners of the house so that we completely are in touch with the nature, not only visually, but also with our sensors.
Yeah, sorry, is it real, the crocodile?
Well, why don't you just try it out and get in there?
Let's go. Right behind us, you'll see in the entrance of the property. Just look at this beautiful Mediterranean style. Here on the right, there is one of the garage, and down on the bottom, there's another one where you can fit easily another 4 to 5 cars.
And also right in front of us is where we have one of the free gates that lead us to the inside of this house. And I also think that these gates are pretty damn decent. They open up with the sliding door, with one click of a button, and you find yourself in the main part of the house.
Totally, and I think it's important to mention of how beautiful the landscape is coming into this home.
Yes, I mean, you're totally surrounded by mountains, 360 degrees. This house has it all.
Yes, let's look inside. Welcome, ladies first.
Thank you. So here we find ourselves in the grand foyer of the house. I mean, just feel this space, Darcy.
I love it, and the first feeling it gives you is the wow moment. You know, when you come in, especially with the beautiful staircase going up to the top.
Yes, and look at the steel railings we've got here. They were custom made especially for this house together with the lamps.
Wow.
Check them out.
Now we come into the living room area. They've got this beautiful round table.
Walking further down, we are in the main living area. This sofa was in fact custom made for this house because this space was so big that they couldn't fit a sofa, which was good in the size for this space.
Yeah, and I can see there are a total of 2 immense TV. You got this one, and then you got another one with a nice fireplace on the bottom. We come to the other side of the living room, and every single corner of this property has something special to it.
That's for sure. Here we have 2 different chilling areas. The first one on my left over here with 4 chairs, a beautiful wooden table, and this tribal features. You can see the painting on the wall, and I don't know what you call these, Darcy.
Well, I think the Indians use them, but they're massive. But
exactly.
Speaking about the sofa here in circle with all of the glass around and looking straight out to the pond where we were before. If you look at the floor, it has these great big tiles one by one.
Yeah, in fact, super easy to clean and gives a nice reflection of everything else we've got in this floor.
Totally. You have a nice place to relax, looking at the gas fireplace and the flat screen on top.
I think in the winter, this is great.
Totally. And then through here, we walk into this beautiful big American kitchen with this immense island in the middle.
Yes, I mean, look at this, guys. It must be probably easily 6 meters with all the departures on the other side. A nice place to have breakfast. What do you think?
I love it. And it also has a lot of natural light coming inside.
It does. Did you know, Darcy, that at first this kitchen was just 2 meters tall in this corner, and this whole downstairs floor had 6 rooms, and all was divided into this one big open space.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Speaking about bedrooms, there's a total of 5 upstairs. So let's go and check them out. So we come into this beautiful master bedroom.
Yes, I mean, I think it's a dream of every couple to have a bedroom like this. Let's start from the bed area.
Totally. So they have this double bed here with the natural stone on the back. They are great big panels.
Here we have on the right a beautiful terrace which runs to the side of the house where you can hear the fountain.
Nice. And then coming more ahead, you've got these big glass windows looking straight out to the sea and to the Cowboy Rock.
And check out this wardrobe which runs along the whole wall, the nice LED light strip which runs along the ceiling and under the wardrobe over here.
I love it. Then you've got the sofa in the middle, the 2 sinks here with super high quality.
So here we have this beautiful vanity. Look, both for him and for her, even 2 mirrors, so you can get ready together. What do you think?
Well, I like it, but what I'm most impressed about is about this. The automatic toilet. Where do you see that? I love it.
Automatically open toilet, but I'm more impressed by this shower. I mean, how many people can you fit in here and how much space you have? First of all, you have this rain head. Check this out. Super special about the shower in the rain head right in the middle with the LED light. Now, check this out. Darcy, please don't get wet.
I love it. Be careful, be careful. So right now, we're coming to the other part of the property. This, from where we showed before, was one of the garage, and we come all the way down here with all of this tropical plants down to the second building.
In the second building, we have the swimming pool area, which actually resembles a proper spa, as well as the upstairs roof, which has a great dining area.
The pool area has got this really cool Rome style, especially with all of this beige round and this natural stone.
And also the columns, the spa and the swimming pool, the jacuzzi on my right.
I love it, I love it. What I also think is really impressive are these great big windows here on this side, looking out to all of the nature. And the cool thing is that all of this is your garden. And then right up there, we're going to see later, is the bird cage. And upstairs, there's also a great big dining table. It gives me the feeling like that's for Christmas or for parties and to bring around all your friends to have dinner. Now is the time that you've all been waiting for.
We have the magic bridge crossing from one part of this property into the other. Check this out. So crossing this bridge might be dangerous, so hold on tight, especially when you're with Darcy.
On this side of the mountain, we have the 3 properties, and then you have this bridge coming over. I hope you like the cinematic shots. And we come over to the other side of the mountain, where there's a few activities to do, and I can already see Vicky is having fun. Well, come on, let's go and carry on seeing the rest of this mountain. We're gonna walk up to the top bit of the mountain, and it has this crazy bird cage. I'm gonna leave this to Vicky to explain.
First of all, it does feel like we're in a zoo. This could be a cage, which you normally see in the zoo, but we don't have any wild animals here. For a change, we have some different species of birds and parrots. Look at the size of this cage, Darcy.
It's enormous, I have to say.
You actually can see this cage from every single window of the house and from the upper part of the garden on the other side. It definitely gives you this wow impression.
I like it, and also from here you can see that there's another big tree house, and it's for actually parrots because it's different types of birds and they can't be put together. So let's go and check it out.
So here, as we're walking through this forest, because this literally is a forest, on my left side you can see the parrot house which Darcy was mentioning, and on the right side even more wilderness of the forest, right Darcy?
Totally. So one thing that I would do here, because we've got so much of the plot, I love mountain biking and motorbikes. So I would build here like a crazy circuit that I can come outside my house and just have fun. But what's your point of view? What would you do around here?
I would put domes and have like a glamping. There's so much nature here to be enjoyed, so much oxygen to be breathed in. And at the end of this road, there's another 3rd swimming pool, which you'll be able to see in the drone shots, guys. So plenty of space and plenty of imagination to be used in this property, that's for sure.
Totally, and really important that you guys know, the whole property is completely fenced off with high fences, and it's got all cable around, so you're completely secure.
In fact, this fence runs 1 kilometer, so it's pretty large.
So just a reminder, the plot size has a total of 34,000 square meters. It is enormous. And from this side of the mountain, you can't hear absolutely anything. From the other side also no, but from here you can just hear the birds and silence.
And as you might have probably noticed, we are sitting by this natural stone table. And the only thing left to mention on this side is that on my left over there, you have a real helicopter landing.
So it takes only 45 minutes with your helicopter from here to get all the way to Ibiza.
So guys, here we find ourselves in the last part, the helicopter area. Darcy, can you tell me, where's your helicopter?
Well, right now on this property I didn't bring it, but if you would like to see the house tour where we bring the crazy helicopter and we land it just in front of the house, click on this video and you can see it.
Well, so it was a pleasure touring this house with you, Darcy. I really hope the viewers enjoyed this tour as much as we did, and I hope to see you in the next beautiful video that you make.
Here we go. Hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, guys.